The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. I'm back like I never left. Welcome back to the Moon Boom Crash Semi-Automated Strategy. This is the Catching Spike edition. On this strategy you attach the Moon Buy robot to boom index markets and the Moon Sell robot to crash index markets. On this strategy you run the robots on the direction of the spike. On the crash index market, for example, the Renko trend adaptive should be red and the RSI space trend filter should be red, showing downtrend momentum. Run the bot at the resistance level of the crash index market. Avoid running the robot at the support level of the crash index market. The settings should match your account size. These are some of the recommended settings depending on your capital amount. Don't let your margin go below 1000% margin level. I set the stop loss to 0, but I will adjust it later when the robot takes a trade. I set the stop loss using the previous highs or lows. The take profit is after a spike happens. Set at least 200 points to catch the first spike. The take profit or stop loss in boom crash index markets is activated after the spike has happened, as explained on their channel. Avoid running the robot when you get a reversal signal green dot from the Renko trend adaptive, preferably after 2 or 3 dots, indicating a trend change. The probability of spikes happening is reduced. On this particular market of Crash 500 index, I will attach the Moon Sell robot because I see the frequency of the spikes that have happened on this current trend, and also the Renko adaptive indicator is red, showing a high probability of spikes happening within this period. The stop loss, in case no spikes happen, will be at the top of the Renko trend adaptive. Press OK to attach the robot and wait. The robot will only execute a trade when the trend conditions are met. Make sure all the conditions are aligning before running the robot. When the RSI space trend is red, it increases the probability of spikes happening. Avoid running the robot when the market is choppy. Only run the robot when you can detect clear trend movement. On boom index markets, you attach the Moon Buy robot on a clear trending market. Confirm the trend using the Renko adaptive indicator. It should be green, showing high frequency of spikes, and the RSI space indicator should be blue, showing uptrend momentum. Run when these conditions are met. On boom index markets, run the robot near the support lines. Set a reasonable lot size so that in case of drawdown you will be able to hold your trade. I set stop loss manually, mostly when the Renko adaptive trend is broken. Take profit after the spike happens and your trade is in the money. You can also hold to catch more spike, but be certain that the spike's trend will continue happening. You can also implement other technical analysis for more accuracy. The Moon robot running on 2 markets, boom 1000 index and crash 500 index markets. Let's wait for a trade to execute. New trade taken on boom 1000 index market. Set the stop loss below the Renko adaptive trend indicator. I expect a spike will happen before the market reaches that level. If the market breaks below the Renko trend indicator, I close the trade. Let's see if we catch the spike. And within 5 minutes, a spike happened and made $23 instantly.
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply.
You can choose hold the trade for another 2 or 5 minutes and see if you can catch double spikes. If it doesn't happen, just take your profit and wait for another trade to be executed. The robot opened another trade on boom 1000 index market. I will hold this trade and see if I will catch a spike. I am expecting a spike to happen when the market retraces back to the Renko trend adaptive bands. A spike happened, but the momentum was small. Still, the market did not break below the Renko trend bands. That is a good sign, so I will still hold my trades. When a small spike happens at the support level of the Renko indicator, it's a good sign that a big spike is on the way. Hold your trades for a little longer. The robot will open another trade to cover the drawdown. The spikes have a tendency of spiking at the same previous level that the spike happened. Always mark the previous spiking points so that you can time the next spikes. I wait for the market to retrace back to the Renko trend bands. The markets have 90% chance to spike around that area. 1 or 2 retests is enough to determine the spiking point. As you can see from this chart, the market has been retracing back to the Renko adaptive indicator bands for a while now. Look out for such patterns to run the robot. Let's see if I will catch the spike. Like I predicted, the spike is about to happen. Wait for it. There it goes. Both of my trades in the money.
Nice.
You can choose to hold the trades and catch bigger spikes because the market is still on a strong uptrend momentum, meaning more spikes could happen. If you have a small account, I recommend you to close the trades after every spike. 5 trades won while catching the spikes so far. Let me find good setups on crash index markets to catch the spikes. Check the Renko trend direction, confirm with the RSI space trend filter. If both showing downtrend momentum, it's a good time to attach the Moon Cell robot. Attach it near the resistance level for best entries. New trade executed on Crash 1000 index. I will hold the trade and put a stop loss above the Renko trend bands indicator. When the market breaks above that level, I close my trades. I did not have to hold for long, a spike just happened. The spikes can continue happening if you hold, but be certain the market is on a strong downtrend. You can use higher time frames, like 15 minutes to 1 hour charts, to determine the overall trend. On Crash Index, look for downtrend momentum on 1 hour chart. When the trend coincides with the 5 minutes chart, start looking for good setups to run the Moon Cell robot. Current trade still running, no spike yet. Let me just secure the profit and wait for another trade. The conditions are still right. The strategy used to create this robot is based on identifying candlestick patterns. The DA opens trades as soon as it finds one of the patterns. It recognizes both simple patterns consisting of one candle and complex patterns with 5 minutes and above time frame. Good trading setup being formed on Crash 500 index, market almost touching the resistance level on the Renko trend bands. Good time to run the Moon Cell robot and catch the spikes. The stop loss is when the market breaks above the Renko trend bands. Set your preferable lot size, take profit and stop loss. Or set them after the trade has been executed. 2 new sell trades on Crash 1000 index and Crash 500 index has been executed. I will hold the trades until I catch a spike or I hit the set stop loss. Just caught a spike on Crash 500 index. This was a very high probability trade because I run the robot near the resistance level. You can secure the profit at this point because the robot will take another trade. Predicting where spikes will happen requires careful technical analysis. Spikes happen very fast. Many spikes happen when the market is volatile and trending. For example, in crash index markets, look for strong downtrends. Reversal trading in spikes is very risky. In trading, there is nothing that is 100% guaranteed method to always win. In this business, if you're good, you're right 6 times out of 10. You're never going to be right 9 times out of 10. Current trades still running, one already in profit. I'm still holding Crash 1000 index, but I'm not confident with it because spike already happened at the resistance area. So the market will have to retrace back to the Renko resistance before I get another spike. I will close both trades, one in profit, another in small loss. Always know how to control your losses before they accumulate. This robot has been developed using an online developing tool called FX-Dreema. The platform is used to create trading robots. It's the easiest and the fastest way to create trading robots. No programming skills required, only logic thinking. This strategy and the tools used will be available for free download after 500 likes on both videos. 500 likes on this catching spikes video and 500 likes on the trend following video tutorial suggested at the top right side. 100% unlimited lifetime license. If you would like to try the strategy, leave your like now. If you cannot wait for the 2 videos to reach 500 likes on YouTube, upgrade to my VIP Premium Members channel, one-time payment to access all my trading tools and strategies posted on Premium channel. At Ultimate Trading Tools, we have a VIP Premium Members channel on Telegram where I give my best trading tools and strategies. Upgrade and access MetaTrader 5 expert advisors such as the Max Profit Robot series for auto trading volatility index and boom crash markets. Based on my trend following logic. Designed for trading on a VPS with no much monitoring required. Before I continue with my VIP details, I found a good setup on Crash 1000 index and I am about to catch the spike. Try this strategy. On my premium channel, get access to my new FPA synthetic indices strategy based on my 0G channel breakout entries, over 90% success rate. I doubled my account within 1 month of following the strategy. I have started a new signal channel where we give advanced trading signals that follow the big bank's market structure. MetaTrader 4 Forex expert advisors and binary options indicators. Premium binary bots, derivative auto trading tools and D-bots. Regularly updated. VIP Premium membership upgrade is highly recommended to those traders who have benefited while using my free trading tools and strategies. This is because trading CFDs is not suitable for everyone. Trading carries a high level of risk, since leverage can work both to your advantage and disadvantage. All in all, make sure you always have fun while trading. You can upgrade to premium members channel via PayPal, Perfect Money, or any cryptocurrency offered in Binance. Payment links and details will be shared on the description below this video. For more info and guidance, contact Ultimate Trader via email or Telegram. Details displayed on your screen right now. I always reply to all my messages within 72 hours at least. More faster on Telegram. These are my 2 Telegram channels at the moment. Subscribe to get weekly updates of free trading tools and strategies. Be careful of bad people selling my free trading tools. At Ultimate Trading Tools, we offer other services such as developing MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 expert advisors and indicators using online-based developing platforms, creating binary bot and D-bot strategies, and so much more in the trading world. Of course, at a reasonable fee. Visit our website to get more info. This is the first version of this strategy. The indicators and expert advisors used will be updated regularly in case I get a good idea to improve the expert advisor. I will be informing all my subscribers in case of a new update. Download links will also be updated when I post newer versions of the tools. The trading strategy or logic will not change very much. Synthetic index markets are very dynamic. Automated trading tools require regular updating. If you are a programmer and you have any knowledge or idea on how to improve this strategy, your views will be highly appreciated. For those people who would want to get the MQ5 source files of all the tools used on this video, contact Ultimate Trader for more details. Not free though. MQ5 source codes help you to improve the strategy and have 100% ownership rights of the DA or indicator. That's all for now. Trading session for catching spikes is over. Beginning capital was $130. I have won 9 trades and lost 2 trades. Final balance is $202. Profit made is $72. That could be yours if you try this strategy. I hope this video has helped to boost your trading IQ. If so, please leave a like, share it to your friends, and most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free trading tools and ideas. Hit the bell icon and one of your trades will close in profit. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Peace.
Talk to you soon. I got work to do.